Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
Electric stoves provide the convenience of thermostat control without the dangers of open flames and flammable gas. They offer more consistency in temperature, easy cleaning, initial cost, even heating, and energy efficiency.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This electric range brings in the ProBake convection for the fastest oven cleaning feature that's sparkling clean without strong chemical fumes or high heat. Its sleek, smooth touch glass control allows easy operation and cleaning, and its electric slide-in range offers a streamlined custom experience for enhanced kitchen decor and cooking pleasure. Plus, it also features a versatile element that fits different sized cookware for convenience. And its included storage drawer gives a stylish way to store all your kitchen necessities and helps to stay organized.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This electric stove features a built-in air fryer for cooking French fries, meats, and other foods without the need for deep frying. It has a convection fan and a third heating element to ensure even boiling, baking, and roasting. And its 4 cooktop elements provide 100 to 3,200 watts of power to meet various cooking requirements. Plus, it can accommodate multiple courses simultaneously to let you cook for a large group in less time. And its storage drawer offers discrete storage for your bakeware. Also, its rapid preheat technology utilizes all the oven elements for quick and efficient preheating and makes it ideal for single rack baking.
Are you looking for the highest end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This double oven range from Whirlpool features convection technology for faster oven to table times and eliminates the need for preheating the oven with frozen food settings. It has a self-cleaning technology that can clean the oven in just 50 minutes and allows you to spend more time creating delicious meals. And its included 5 cooktop elements provide 100 to 3,000 watts of power to meet various cooking requirements. Plus, it can accommodate multiple courses concurrently to let you cook for a large group in less time. And its Sabbath mode helps you comply with kosher cooking practices by maintaining a temperature for an extended period.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This electric stove from LG features the largest capacity oven and allows you to use all the pots, pans, Dutch ovens, and skillets required for cooking. Its 3,200 watt dual cooktop elements deliver the fastest boiling technology and allow you to match the element size with the cookware for utmost flexibility. Plus, its easy clean technology features 10 minutes of oven cleaning without any chemical fumes or high heat. And the ProBake convection offers professional style cooking along with a precise baking result on every rack.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This electric range features 4 smooth top elements with dual element baking for providing even heating and easy cleanup. Its self-clean technology delivers a high concentrated heat with the touch of a button and allows convenient cleaning of the oven cavity and eliminates the need for scrubbing. It has 2 oven racks with 7 possible positions, which can be adjusted to suit your baking needs. It also provides plenty of room to cook multiple dishes at once. Plus, the electronic touchpad controller makes it easy to customize the cooking time and temperature. And its delay bake technology allows you to set the oven to start cooking at your convenience.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This electric stove features 5 heating elements, which are expandable to adapt to the changing needs of your cooking requirements. It uses baking technology to make commercial-grade pastries, and its included storage drawer with storage cookie sheets and cooling racks allow discrete storage space for your bakeware. Plus, its ceramic cooktop surface offers a durable design, and its VariBroil system lets you see the broiling temperatures to cook the food at your desired level.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.